Hi guys, welcome back for another time travelling episode back into the days of Kung Fu Monthly, magazines and books. Another exciting episode. Right, here we go today. We got 4 today. The Secret Art of Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee in Action. The Unbeatable Bruce Lee, and Who Killed Bruce Lee. I've got several different versions of this one here. This is the this is your standard version. Excellent. Really enjoying going through these old Kung Fu Monthly things, as you know. Brilliant. The UK's premium magazine, this was, and book. Outstanding. Give you say it's not the easiest. I should have got a tripod out, really. You need 2 hands to do these. They're always falling back on each other, the pages are. Maybe the next episode. That's it, I think. Excellent. The Secret Art of Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee in Action. Very cool. Definitely worth picking up, people. You can get these quite easily, still. Not expensive. Excellent. The Unbeatable Bruce Lee.
King of Kung Fu.
You can't beat 70s.
Sensitivity, his kung fu courage set in motion. It's a massive dynamic explosion. Power fills his eyes as he strikes terror with his cries. He's the king of kung fu. King of kung fu. King of kung fu. Let him show what he can do.
Bit of Kato there. Bruce and his library. Fantastic. Who killed Bruce Lee?
Destruction. There's no fighter that could touch him. The king is now revealed. He's a real
All conspiracy theories back in the day. Touch of death and all a load of rubbish. You know what killed him. And now we know what we know with the cocaine. That probably had something to do with it as well. Wouldn't help you. But there's a load of crazy things going around back in the day, there was. Triads and God knows what else. All sorts of rubbish there was. Murdered and basically they didn't get him to the hospital quick enough. He'd have probably survived if they'd got him there quicker, but they didn't. Because it happened to him earlier in the year, and he survived that because they got there quicker. So excellent. Well, I hope you enjoyed them few Kung Fu Monthly book reviews. Great day, people, and join me tomorrow for another exciting episode of Opening Up Kung Fu Monthly books and magazines. Have a great day, people, and remember, Bruce will never die. Ta-ra!